welcome back to my channel. It's the girl I Spy Fashion here with another content video. So today's video is going to be an unboxing, and by the title you guys already know what I'm going to be unboxing. Wait, why is that like not focused? Yes, I got me some Yeezys. So if you want to see my Yeezys and know the specs about them, stay tuned for the rest of this video. Also, make sure to check your girl out on Instagram so you can see how I rock these sneakers at _iSpyFashion. Your girl, I've been showing your girl so much love and I appreciate all of you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop right into this video. Alright guys, so by the title you guys already know I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Zebra. I read that all because I don't want to mess up the name. I know how you sneakerheads can get and y'all will be coming for my throat in the comments, and I don't need that, okay? I am not a sneakerhead. I like to have a nice pair of good comfortable sneakers, fashion sneakers, athletic sneakers, and just popping sneakers in general. So your girl, I don't wear too many sneakers, but the sneakers that I do have are pretty popular, pretty poppin', if I say myself. So these sneakers, I don't know if you guys remember, but in this video up here, my spring haul, I did like a shopping spring haul video and I had like the pair of Jordan 1s. But if you guys check this video out, I did say, or I think also in my sneaker haul video that's also up here as well, make sure to check this out as well, I said that I wanted to get a pair of Yeezys. That was on my sneakers to have for the year, and look at God, I got me some. So you won't catch me sitting here buying every pair of sneakers that come out. That's just not me. That's not my style. I am a super girly girl. So I really wanted these sneakers so bad. I know they're like old, they're not brand new, but with Yeezys, you guys know that they're just always in season. You could wear anyone for their specific ones that you just wear at any time and it still be considered relevant. So yeah, that was a lot of rambling. So let's talk about the sneakers. So let me just get you the box. Open it up. So I already opened these. I'm not even lying to you guys. I already opened these. I already took a picture in them. So go check me out on Instagram and see how I rock them. This one way I rock them like very casually. So these are them, guys. Here you go. I got these in a size 7. I'm a size 9 in women, so I think a 7 in men, I guess is what they are. Yeah, they're really comfortable. They're like this knitted sock kind of material. The lacings are super dope, and I just love the pop of red on the side. These are super comfortable. Like, comfort is key with me, and these guys are definitely doing it. I could foresee me wearing these a lot. I might get another pair like these, not the same print, maybe, I'm not sure, because they are super comfortable. So they were from StockX, so it came with the little verification front, back, and then it came with a little sticker in the box, and that was cute. I got them from StockX, and StockX, if you guys don't know, is a website where people could they sell sneakers brand new as well as used sneakers. I know for certain those are brand new. They were bought new. So I pulled it up here on my phone, and I'm also going to be showing you, it's going to be popping up here or here, and basically it's kind of like the stock market. So it shows you like when the value is going up and things of that nature, and it really mimics like the ticker on the top up here as well. I don't know if you guys see that. Yeah, it has a ticker up there like the real stock market, and just like things of that nature. I think you could buy a lot of different things on here, not only sneakers. They have like Louis Vuitton, they have a lot of high-end products in here, but when people think of StockX, I know for certain they think of sneakers. I want to tell you guys, I feel like out of a lot of apps like StockX, GOAT, I think StockX is a lot cheaper than GOAT, because GOAT can be a little more pricey. So I do recommend StockX. And let's get into the price. So right now, as I click on the sneaker, when I just search the sneaker, it's saying it's retailing for, the last sale was made was $413 for these sneakers. But when you click on the actual sneaker, like, or the lowest asking price is at the top right here. So when you actually click on there to pick your size, then you will see, well, depending on your size, the price goes up or down. And I'm going to show it to you guys here. So for a size 7, they retail for $444. Ashanti, you paid $444 for sneakers? Girl, no. I was very fortunate to be gifted these by my uncle. He the plug. So your girl did not pay that price for those sneakers. However, if you do want those sneakers, you will have to pay roughly around this price unless you have some type of sneaker plug. And yeah, I was very fortunate and I'm very grateful that I got these gifted to me. So yeah, so that's price. I told you about the size, and I told you just like what they're made, the texture, and the overall look of the shoe. Your girl is just really excited about these. Like, some people may think like, oh, it's not that big of a deal, they're just sneakers. No, everyone needs them a pair of Yeezys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was short, sweet, to the point. And make sure to press that subscribe button, the big like button, comment down below if you have a pair of Yeezys and which ones are your faves. And yeah, comment down below also if you will be getting a pair after seeing this video. So love you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.